I would say, for me, a soldier in 2032 would be a soldier that carries equipment with himself or herself that provides advantages that are not currently available, and that those soldiers will be able to extend their time in austere environments and extend the range of field capabilities.
That's the officer in charge of the research that makes soldiers as close to superhuman as possible. The United States Army Research Institute of Environmental Medicine, or USAREM, is the Army's lab where scientists test soldiers to develop technology that pushes their limits. And to borrow a phrase from scientists, they work on soldiers from their helmets to their boots and everything in between. That includes meals ready to eat. Military Times was recently invited for an inside look at the labs and also to learn about its impact on industry.
How many people have completed a specific class for, say, airborne or for air assault or those types of things. And it helps us do our work. So we utilize that in conjunction with that, and then the idea becomes a study that then becomes some concrete, workable evidence, and then that leads to a product development. And we put those products into circulation. And you will find many Usarium-touched products throughout the United States military. The uniforms that you wear today were were touched both by Usarium and Soldier Center. We are co-located in the same area, and that's why. The boots, touched by Usarium. If you eat in a DFAC, some of that is touched by Usarium. If you eat an MRE, it's Usarium. If you eat the protein bar that's distributed at basic training, it's Usarium. If you go to say airborne school and there's a heat injury, the initial treatment of that injury with cold water immersion or cold sheets, that's Usarium. Usarium touches military publications. Usarium touches special forces units. We do so much research with the Ranger School. Usarium touches the other military components, the Navy and the Air Force. We work with them, and ideas from here filter through there. Currently, the Army Body Composition Study. This study is going to help determine, are the current height and weight charts accurate? Should they be changed? But we like to take our initiatives and share them with industry. Some of the algorithms that are found in some of today's watches that are published or purchased on the market started here at Usarium. I'm a kind of a simple guy. I don't have a lot of treasures, but I had to get one of those watches that carries Usarium's algorithms in it. I'm not going to pull it out because I don't want to get in trouble, but now I wear a watch because it reminds me of part of Usarium. Another initiative that we have here is this proximal heating device. So this forearm device, this heating element that goes on a soldier's forearm and heats the surrounding tissue so that soldier, she can complete the task that's set before her. And what do we do with that? We take our prototype, and then we carry it to industry, to small businesses. And then small businesses work with Usarium to produce a product. And then that product goes into the market.